Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and this quick unboxing of this WishDoit, my second WishDoit on the channel. And full disclosure, this watch was sent in exchange for review from the people over at WishDoit AliExpress brand. I do get to keep it and I didn't have to pay anything for it, but I'll try to be unbiased. Outer sleeve, standard, arrived fairly quickly. Outer sleeve, thin paper. The box itself is a lot nicer than on the Zodiac Seawolf Homage style watch I received before. It was just a cardboard box. This is some sort of, I think, faux leather deal. So I guess we'll open like this, eh? Bonk. And what do we have? We have, whoops, something fell to the floor. Yeah, the same style of tool adjustment system. This one is slightly bent from the get-go, and they will bend and break anyway, so won't be using that one. Branded cleaning cloth. Now many companies seems to have gotten these teeny tiny square ones nowadays, but this is a proper size cleaning cloth. Warranty card, not filled in. The watch itself, let's put it to the side. And yeah, that's it. Now this was a nice little package actually. Good size, sturdy. You don't need more than this. Brands who really like doing big boxes, take note. So let's do like that. Let's take this. And let's check out this GMT. And as usual with unboxings, I go in pretty blind. All I know is that it's a GMT watch. And that it's hard to get out of the bubble wrapping. Pillow. Standard pillow. And here we go. Yeah, that's right. WishDoit had a branded plastic surrounding the other watch as well, and this one is what is $150, something like that, I think. And still, they have branded plastic, and here we go. And that is actually pretty nice. I do believe it's a NH34 GMT. So let's remove some plastic and I'll be right back. And there we go. Geez, that's what was a lot of plastic removed. Now brands, this is just my personal opinion. If you wrap it up nicely in a good box and bubble wrap, you don't have to wrap the watch in so much plastic. There was plastic underneath the plastic on the buckle and so on. There's enough plastic going around, laying around in waste bins. So you don't really need to add any more. Now let's see here. Like I said, I've been wearing the WishDoit Zodiac Homage quite a bit. It's actually really enjoyable, even though it has some flaws. Go check the review out. I don't think the GMT will be any different. The bracelet is exactly the same. I think the fit on the end links looks to be exactly the same. Does it have the same horrible clasp? Yeah, it seems to have the same clasp. Now it's an odd one, isn't it? Because show we also on the other one. It's a friction fit, which loosens up quite a lot, and from the get-go was really annoying, but now it's decent. But the inner, this one, I don't think it's stainless steel. I think it's some kind of chromed alloy or something. It's too shiny, it's not polished, it's chromed. And the feel is not stainless steel. And the clasp itself is, well, it will last its course, but it's not very... Oh, they added a little groove there. No, it's always been there. It will last its course and it looks decent, but this part is really flimsy and this part is super tight from the get-go, and it has the internal adjustment, micro adjust. No on the fly, more plastic. Okay, so we gotten the negatives out of the way. That's one good looking watch, isn't it? A Brit, Christopher Wardy, with the handset. That bezel looks really, really good. And the lume was really good on the other one. Let's see if it's the same here. Let's do some measurements before we check the bezel. Lug 47. Thickness 12.5. That's pretty good for a GMT. Let's see the case size, because it looks like the bezel is protruding a bit. Case size about 38.5. Yeah. And then bezel 39.3. It's about half a centimeter there. And that's, well, I guess a good thing if you want to have it grippy. Signed crown, and thank God they removed the name WishDoit and just kept that. That looks either pressed in or actually applied, and those indices look really good. Bezel. Bezel is an improvement. A lot. The other one felt really janky and quite loose, or a bit loose. This feels way more solid. The clicks are firm. No backplate. That's a pretty good bezel actually. And I guess that minus track will be loomed as well. We'll see in the full review. Now finally putting it on wrist. About 17 centimeter wrist. Plenty of links to spare. I wish they would have done female end links on this one. Pretty flat, pretty straight. Case lies good. I'm really liking the color scheme on this one. Yeah, really liking the color scheme. Can I take it off without removing? Almost. Yeah, I'm gonna really enjoy wearing this for a while. I just wish they would have added like $10-20 and upgraded the bracelet and the clasp. Then it would have actually been a really nice watch. Sapphire crystal. Clarity looks really good. Clarity on sapphire. Cheap sapphire sometimes is, well, not the best, but this one looks great. So I'm gonna enjoy wearing this one. Go check out the review I did on the old one. And until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.